Hello student, today we will discuss MCQs of Unit 4 which is a part of British and American drama and topic Arms and the Man and Look Back in Anger. Multiple choice question important for interim examination. Let's start. Who is the maid servant in Raina's house? A. Luca. B. Catherine. C. Nicola. D. None of these. Here right option is option A. Luca is the maid servant in Raina's house. Who is the servant in Raina's house? A. Sergius. B. Catherine. C. Nicola. D. Petkov. The right option is option C. Nicola. Nicola is the servant in Raina's house. Who is the head of a victorious cavalry charge? A. Bronchili. B. Sergius. C. Petkov. D. The Russian officer. The right option is option B. Sergius. Who murmurs, my hero, my hero? A. Catherine. B. Luca. C. Sergius. D. Raina. The right option is option D. Raina. Who seeks refuge in his house of Raina? A. Sergius. B. Nicola. C. Bronchili. D. Petkov. The right option is option C. Bronchili. Who shatters the romantic world of Raina? A. Bronchili. B. Sergius. C. Nicola. D. The Russian officer. Right option option A. Bronchili. Who offers chocolate cream to Bronchili? A. Luca. B. Catherine. C. Raina. D. Nicola. Your right option is option C. Raina. Who is called just next to Shakespeare? A. Milton. B. John Keats. C. Thomas Gray. D. G.B. Shaw. Your right option is option A. Milton. According to whom is marriage is union of romantic hero and heroine? A. Sergius. B. Raina. C. Luca. D. Catherine. Your right option is option D. Catherine. How many years old was Raina? A. 20. B. 22. C. 24. D. 23. Your right option is option B. 22. Who places her portrait in her father's coat? A. Raina. B. Catherine. C. Luca. D. Hedimba. Your right option is option A. Raina. Who take refuge in Raina's bed chamber? A. Sergius. B. Luca. C. Bronchili. D. Petkov. Your right option is option C. Bronchili. Who comes to search the fugitive? A. Russian officer. B. Bronchili. C. Nicola. D. Raina. Your right option is option A. Russian officer. Who gives coat to Bronchili to hide himself? A. Catherine. B. Raina. C. Luca. D. All of them. Your right option is option B. Raina. CGS to found filtering with A. Raina. B. Nicola. C. Bronchili. D. Luca. Your right option is option D. Luca. Luca is girl. A. Servant. B. Rich. C. Proud. D. Modern. Your right option is option A. Servant. Luca is servant girl. From attitude, Raina is A. Flirt. B. Romantic. C. Perchat. D. All of these. Your right option is option B. Romantic. Brunchili marries to A. Luca. B. Catherine. C. Regius. D. Raina. Your right option is option D. Raina. Regius marries to A. Raina. B. Catherine. C. Luca. D. None of these. Your right option is option C. Luca. Brunchli is dot dot officer. A. Serbian. B. Russian. C. Australian. D. Suvas. The right option is option C. Australian. For whom does Brunchli fight? Bulgarians. B. Siberians. C. Australians. D. Americans. The right option is option A. Bulgarians. Who is a professional soldier? Who is a professional soldier? A. Brunchli. B. Strigius. C. Petkov. D. Nikola. The right option is option A. Brunchli is a professional soldier. Brunchli is a man of A. Principles. B. Affairs. C. Practicals. D. Loves. The right option is option C. Practicals. Who believes that war is full of glory? A. Siligius. B. Nicola. C. Catherine. D. Sa. The right option is option A. Siligius. Luca is married to A. Brunchli. B. Petkov. C. Nicola. D. Sergius. The right option is option D. Sergius. Who is Raina's ideal hero? A. Brunchli. B. Nicola. C. Sergius. D. All of them. The right option is option C. Sergius. Who wins the Battle of Silventia? A. Brunchli. B. Sergius. C. Nicola. D. All of these. The right option is option B. Sergius. Whose wife is Catherine? A. Sergius. B. Brunchli. C. Petkov. D. None of these. The right option is option C. Petkov. Who is very fond of fashion? A. Raina. B. Catherine. C. Luca. D. Nicola. The right option is option D. Nicola. Who is a successful wife, mother, and mistress? A. Catherine. B. Luca. C. Raina. D. All of them. The right option is option A. Catherine is a successful wife, mother, and mistress. What is the name of Raina's father? A. Sergius. B. Brunchli. C. Nicola. D. Major Petkov. Your right option is option D. Major Petkov is the name of Raina's father. Who married Nicola? A. Luca. B. Raina. C. Catherine. D. None of these. Your right option is option D. None of these. Who is Raina's fiancée? A. Brunchli. B. Sergius. C. Nicola. D. None of them. Your right option is option A. Brunchli. Who climbs up a pipeline? A. Sergius. B. Brunchli. C. Russian officer. D. Nicola. Your right option is option B. Brunchli. Who considers marriage a romance? A. Luca. B. Nicola. C. Raina. D. None of these. Your right option is option C. Raina. Considers marriage a romance. How many years old in the fugitive? A. 30. B. 33. C. 35. D. 37. Your right option is option C. 35 years old in the fugitive. Who informs Raina that there's been a battle? A. Catherine. B. Sergius. C. Luca. D. Nicola. Your right option is option A. Catherine. A victory at Silventia was won by A. Luca. B. Nicola. C. Bonchli. C. Bonchli. D. Sergius. Your right option is option D. Sergius. Who has become the idol of regiment? A. Brunchli. B. Petkov, C. CGS, D. All of these. The right option is option C. CGS. Who led a cavalry charge on his own responsibility? A. Brunchli, B. CGS, C. Petkov, D. Nikola. The right option is option B. CGS. Who say that it proves that all our ideas were real after all? A. Luca, B. CGS, C. Nicola, D. Raina. The right option is option D. Raina. Who is fond of reading Byron and Pushkin? A. Bronchley, B. Catherine, C. Raina, D. Luca. The right option is option C. Raina. Who cuts jokes with Luca and Catherine? A. CGS, B. Major Patkov, C. Bronchley, D. Nicola. The right option is option B. Major Patkov. Who is the secondary character? A. CGS, B. Major Patkov, C. Bronchley, D. Nicola. The right option is option B. Major Patkov is the secondary character. Who say, do you suppose they would hesitate to kill you or Versi? A. Catherine, B. CGS, C. Luca, D. Nicola. The right option is option B. CGS. All question is over. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more educational video.